Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss English 3 Quarter 1, Week 7 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Cause and Effect. Here are the learning competencies. Comprehend stories in number 6, identify the cause and effect of events, and use simple sentences to express ideas about regional themes. And here are the objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify cause and effect of events, identify cause and effect of events related to regional themes, and participate actively in class. Before we start, let's play a game called Let's Find Out. Here are the mechanics. Arrange the jumbled letters to find out the correct word. You have 10 seconds to find out the word. Are you ready? Let's begin. What do you think is the first word? Very good. The correct answer is cause. What do you think is the second word? Awesome. The correct answer is effect. What do you think is the third word? Good job. The correct answer is result. What do you think is the fourth word? Very good. The correct answer is reason. What do you think is the final word? Awesome. The correct answer is event. This time, let's discuss what is cause and effect. It describes the relationship where one event, the cause, leads to another event, the effect. Now, let's differentiate cause and effect. Cause means why something happens, while effect means what happens as a result. Here are some examples of signal words used in cause and effect. We have because, so, as a result, due to, and therefore. To better understand our topic, here are the examples. Example number 1. Our sample sentence is, eating too much junk foods result in gaining weight. Our cause is eating too much junk foods. Here is our signal word, result. followed by the effect in gaining weight. Example number 2. Driving too fast can cause car accidents. Our cause would be driving too fast. And our signal word can cause, followed by the effect, car accidents. This time, let's move on to the application. Let's read the directions. Read the following statements in the next slide. Underline the cause and box the effect. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now, let's answer. Sentence number 1. If you swat a bee, it will sting you. Our cause is, if you swat a bee, our effect would be, it will sting you. Sentence number 2. Because I woke up late, I missed the bus. Our cause is, because I woke up late. The effect would be, I missed the bus. Sentence number 3. Your garden will be very beautiful if you water and weed the plants. The cause would be, if you water and weed the plants, the effect will be, your garden will be very beautiful. Sentence number 4. She ate too much salty foods. As a result, she got kidney disease. Our cause would be, she ate too much salty foods. And the effect, as a result, she got kidney disease. And for the last sentence, if you push or hit your classmates, you won't have any friends. Our cause would be, if you push or hit your classmates. And the effect will be, you won't have any friends. Now, let's move on to generalization. Let's answer this question. What is the difference between cause and effect? Very good. Cause means why something happens, and effect means what happens as a result. This time, let's proceed to evaluation. Let's read the directions. Read the short story carefully, then find the cause and effect. Are you ready? Let's start. The title of our short story is Bubbles' Bright Idea. Bubble the fish saw the sun shining and thought it would be fun to blow a bubble to catch the sparkle. He blew a big bubble, and it popped with a loud pop. The noise startled the crab, who knocked over a pile of shells. The scattered shells attracted other sea creatures, creating a shell party. Because of Bubbles' idea, the reef was filled with fun and laughter. Now, let's answer. There are 5 possible cause and effect situations from the story. First, if your cause is Bubble saw sunlight and blew a bubble, the effect would be the bubble popped loudly. Second possible answer, if your cause is the bubble popped with a loud noise, the effect would be it startled the sleepy crab. For the third possible answer, if your cause is the crab got startled, the effect would be he knocked over a pile of shells. Fourth possible answer, if your cause is the shells were scattered, the effect would be other sea creatures came to see them. And for the last possible answer, if your cause is sea creatures gathered around, the effect is the reef turned into a shell party full of fun. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3 Quarter 1 week 7 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Cause and Effect. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.